Hello, Leshark here with your Phuket weekly weather update live. Well, I'm live, obviously this is recorded. As you can tell, I'm still in the New Forest in the good old England, and it's still cold, as you can tell by the way I'm dressed. But it's beautiful today, blue sky, sun's out, it's gonna be a lovely day. But you don't care about the weather here. Oh, no. You care about the weather in Phuket, and it's the last week of the year. That's right, 2025 is almost over. And into 2026. It's going to be a good year, that's for sure. We've got some exciting new things happening at 5-Star Marine, which you're going to find out throughout the year, of course. Anyway, you want to know what the weather's doing for the last week of 2025 in Phuket? Then stay tuned to watch this video. Okay, good. Hello. In from the cold. Beautiful day out there. Anyway, this is the weekly weather for Phuket for the last week of 2025. Not so much the last week though, is it? Because Thursday, it's 2026. I hope you all have your resolutions ready. What's your resolution? Tell me now. Or comment below. Oh, that's what I should say, isn't it? Let me get some engagement. Comment below what your resolution is for 2026. What's mine? Mine is just to be better. There you go. Very simple. And I can tick it off on day one when I wake up and say, I'm better today. Anyway, let's look to see what the weather's doing in Phuket for this week. Now, as you can see, now I apologise once again, it's very small. I am still on my hollibobs. I'll be back in Phuket next week, I think. When do I arrive back? I think I'll be doing the weather next week in Phuket. Anyway, this is our windy app and this shows us what the wind's doing. As you can see from my very small screen, blue means not much wind, purple is no wind, green, a little bit of wind, yellow, there's some more wind, orange, more wind, and if you see Ron Burgundy, Miguel.
I'm Ron Burgundy?
There you go! Then it's crazy wind. We don't often see Ron Burgundy for Phuket. Right, so there's Phuket in the middle here, Phi Phi's down here, Phang Bay's here, and the Similons are up here. And as you can see, this is Sunday morning as I record this. And you see there is a little bit of wind coming, but mainly it's quite windy on the west coast. So nothing to worry about going down to Phi Phi, nothing to worry about in Phang Bay, and not much to worry about when you're going to Similons, which is nice, isn't it? So let's look at Sunday afternoon, if I can find my old mousy mouse. There we go, Sunday afternoon. Still a bit more wind down, but it shouldn't be too worried. Nothing to worry about. So Sunday looks good. Now Monday the 29th, there we go. Monday 29th looks good too. Some purple here, so Similons will be a good little trip on Monday. Phang Bay is always good this time of year. Phi Phi, slight bit of bounce when you go down there, but nothing to worry about. Still good. Go and check out Maya Bay. Go and see where the beach was filmed. You go to Shark Point. I like Shark Point. You go see the black-tip reef sharks. I haven't seen them for a little while. In fact, when I go back, I'm going to go down to Phi Phi because I haven't snorkeled with sharks for a long time. So yeah, Monday looks good. Monday afternoon. Yeah, nothing to worry about again. Some light green, but that's okay. Tuesday the 30th looks nice. Not much happening anywhere. A little tiny little bit, but nothing. Looks good. So Tuesday looks good. Tuesday afternoon looks even better. So Tuesday looks a good day to go out. You could take out our new boat, Sean 1. That's right. Get inside Sean and ride him, her, because boats are her. But it's a really cool boat, especially if you just want to do a half-day snorkeling trip or you want to do a 3-hour bioluminescence tour. Perfect boat for that. You get out there. In fact, if you're lucky, Sean will take you out because he's been out loads. Since I've been away, he's been on tour nearly every single day. Bless him. Back to doing what he loves. Good for you, Shawnee. I'm looking forward to going out with him when I go back. He said it. Not going out with him like that because obviously I love him, but not in that kind of way. I'm going too far, aren't I? Yes, I think I am. Right, so Wednesday, which is the last day of 2025, and it looks amazing. Purple everywhere, light blue everywhere. So the last day of the year for 2025 looks great. So head on out, let's look at Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday afternoon, slight bit of breeze, but nothing to worry about. So last day of 2025 looks amazing. So get yourself out there. Now let's look at Thursday. Happy New Year, everyone. Woo woo. Watch this. Pop. Yee. I'm sure Miguel will do something on the screen. Thursday, the 1st of January. It's the 1st of January on Thursday. That's scary. It's a big year for me. My birthday's soon, by the way, 19th of January. Make sure you send me a gift. I'd like one. It's my big birthday. That's right. I'll be half a century old. Not sure how I made it. Obviously, I don't look half a century old. I feel it at the moment, but I don't look it. Apart from a little bit of grey flecks. Salt and pepper beard, they say. I've got my Christmas beard because I can't be asked to shave, to be honest. Anyway, so first day of the year looks amazing. Thursday afternoon, a little bit breezy, but nothing to worry about. Make sure you head out and you can clean your cobwebs after a night out. Hopefully, don't drink too much though, people, because it's bad for you. But you can have a little glass of something if you want to. Kids, not you though. You don't touch anything. And then it looks like Friday the 2nd. Friday the 2nd. Now, a little bit of green down at PP, so it might be a bit bouncy if you're going to go down to PP on the 2nd of January. But I don't think that's too much to worry about. Or maybe it might be a bit bouncy coming back. So PP might be a bit bouncy. So might Simlon Islands, but Pangar Bay will be awesome, that's for sure. Saturday the 3rd. I think that's the day I get back. I think it is. So how am I going to do the weather that day? I've got to do the weather the day I get back. I'm not sure what time I get back. Thinking. I'll have to check with the old Emirates to see where I get back. Anyway, Saturday doesn't look too bad. Saturday afternoon. Wee bit bouncy, maybe coming back from PP, but nothing much to worry about. And then Sunday the 4th, and I will be jet lagged as you like, but I'll be very happy because I'll be cuddling my doggies because I miss my doggies. Mischief and Trouble. I'll see you soon. Love Mischief. Have you got a picture of Mischief and Trouble? I'm sure we have somewhere. There you go. Look at them. They look lovely. I better remember to send that to Miguel, or he'll probably send me a WhatsApp saying, Jay, you haven't sent me the pictures of Mischief and Trouble. And I said, okay, I'll do it now. And I'll do it now. Anyway, you don't need to know all that stuff. Right, Sunday afternoon, Sunday the 4th. Looks not so bad, not too shabby. So pretty much all of the last week into the start of next year looks pretty good. Now, let's go to acute weather. Now, you might not be able to see this because it's white on white on white, and it is quite hard to see because it is a small screen. I have been hearing there has been a little bit of drops of sunshine last week in Phuket, but really, really small showers that pass and go very quickly. But it does look like for the start on, let's look at Sunday and Monday, it does look like there might be a sprinkling somewhere in Phuket at some time. But showers generally don't last long and it is high season, so they disperse really quickly and you'll be dry within seconds because it's high season and I can't wait to get my Speedos on, walk along the beach and look all sexy like David Hasselhoff from Baywatch, if you remember him. Some of you don't, but as you know, I'm going to be old soon, so that's what it is. But it doesn't look too bad. I mumbled then, didn't I? Anyway, doesn't look too bad whatsoever, but there might be, like I said, a little bit of sprinkling at the start of the week, but nothing to worry about. Now, let's look at this one, which is a TMD radar. Now, look, this is actually live. This is live right now, which is pointless because I'm recording this on Sunday morning. So this is Sunday morning, and this will be gone by the time you watch this. In fact, by the time it probably comes out, because by the time it's edited, it comes out Sunday evening, depending on what time zone you are. I get very confused with time zones at the moment. But look, it looks good. The green bits are rain, but it doesn't matter because this is Sunday morning when I'm recording this. But we watch this all day long. Sean used to have it on his computer, but now he's out guiding every single day. He doesn't have it, but I guess he has it on his phone because he's that technically inclined, is our Shawnee. Oh, bless him. He's doing really well at the moment. You should tap him up and say, well done, Sean, going out guiding loads. And have you seen his daily weather shorts? He does them every single day out on tour. Good for him. And check out our new content guy, Kun-sun. That's right, he's gone from guy to amazing content creator. I go away and Sean gets Sun to do all the content. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a job when I get back. That's where Miguel puts on like a sad kind of Romeo and Juliet music, if you like. That's sad music. No, he's good. We love Kun-sun and he's a handsome young man. So go and check him out. Like and subscribe to our shorts and our Instagram and our TikTok and all that stuff. So there you go. The weather for the last week of 2025 into 2026 looks amazing. So make sure you head out, go and check out our new boats. And we've got some exciting things planned for 2026, which I'll tell you about next week if I'm back in time, because I'm not sure what time I land. Anyway, there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update live from me in my daughter's bedroom in a New Forest in England. Thanks. Oh, if you've got any questions, then comment below. And also remember, put your resolutions down. What are you going to do for 2026? Cool. Bye. Woo woo.